Welcome back to House My Home. Step into a modern farmhouse bathroom, where nostalgia meets refinement. These inviting spaces are rooted in charm and simplicity, blending cozy textures with sleek updates. Whether you're drawn to rich, rustic wood tones and reclaimed materials or the clean brightness of light woods and polished finishes, there's a look for every size and budget. To introduce this style into your home, choose natural wood vanities and classic style faucets. Add matte black lighting fixtures or aged brass touches. Incorporate vintage decor or repurposed accents like mirrors, baskets, and hooks. Consider statement pieces like farmhouse sinks or clawfoot tubs to anchor the space. Modern farmhouse bathrooms typically blend old-world charm with clean lines and cozy textures. Farmhouse sinks with vintage-inspired plumbing. Freestanding or clawfoot bathtubs. Textural elements like shiplap walls or beadboard. Soft curtain panels or painted shutters. Lighting that evokes history, sconces, pendants, or lantern styles. Finishes such as aged brass, brushed nickel, or oil-rubbed bronze. Natural wood accents that feel warm and lived in. The difference lies in tone and texture. Farmhouse emphasizes weathered and time-worn aesthetics. Think distressed wood, vintage fixtures, and earthy palettes. Modern Farmhouse leans toward light and airy. Crisp white walls, clean silhouettes, and refined finishes bring a fresh update to classic inspiration. Thanks for joining us as we explored the cozy charm of the modern farmhouse bathroom. We hope today's inspiration helps you create a space that's not just beautiful, but filled with warmth and story. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another uplifting design journey. See you in the next video, where heart and home come together.